Learn how to use the turbo tank cleaner. These are the parts and how they work. The agitator stirs up the sediment. The auger pulls it inside to the grinding chamber where the sediment is ground up with the water to form a fine slurry that ends up coming out through a garden hose. The clear plastic housing is made up of two parts screwed together. An O-ring creates a seal between them. The shaft has a seal too that's facing inward. The seal nut is adjustable. Make sure to monitor it during use so that it doesn't over-tighten. A little leakage is okay. Lubricate the O-ring and shaft seal with oil or grease before each use. Be sure to read and carefully follow the operating instructions on this video and that come with the turbo tank cleaner. If you need to get to this video again, you can scan the QR code that comes with the instructions. There is also a phone number to call if you need technical support. First, turn off the power or gas to the water heater and verify that it's off, preferably with a test light. Cool the hot water in the tank by running a hot water faucet. Once cooled, ensure that all hot water faucets are off so no air gets in the system. Turn off the cold water supply valve to the water heater. Place a towel or rag under the water heater's drain valve and open it to release the tank's pressure. A small amount of water should come out and then quickly stop or come to a slow dribble. The tank is now airlocked. If this doesn't happen, stop immediately. The drain valve may be plugged up, the cold water supply may be leaking, or air is getting into the system. Find and fix the problem before proceeding. It is now safe to remove the tank's drain valve and insert the turbo tank cleaner. Some water will spill. That's normal. If there is an excessive amount of sediment, you may have to wiggle and turn the agitator to make it fit. Be careful that it doesn't get bound up. Screw the turbo tank cleaner loosely to your water heater. Refill the tank completely. This step is very important. Air in the tank affects the water pressure and your hose may plug up, which can cause a mess as you try to unplug the hose. Remember to not use any hot water during the cleaning and flushing process. Connect a common garden hose to the tool and run the other end outside to a bucket or to a safe area to dispose of water and sediment. Make sure that there is no kinks or restrictions in the hose. Expandable hoses are not recommended. Now open the water heater's cold water supply valve. Water will flow through the tool and hose. Monitor the seal nut's tension during the process. You may adjust it to prevent it from over-tightening or leaking excessively. At this point, attach a variable speed cordless drill to the end of the tank cleaner's axle shaft. Don't use a corded drill. Start by gently rocking the agitator back and forth to ensure it's not bound up. Increase the speed a little to move sediment faster. Hold the tool and support it as you spin. There is no need to spin at high RPM. If the tool suddenly jerks or feels different, stop and check the grinding chamber for metal debris. Toward the end, you can alternate between forward and reverse to sweep the agitator across the bottom of the tank. Once done cleaning, turn off the cold water supply valve and remove the drill. Pinch off the garden hose and remove it from the tool. Get a bucket and unpinch the hose to let the last bit of water drain out. It shouldn't be a lot. Put the cap on the tool and remove it. Reinstall the drain valve and make sure it's closed. Open the cold water supply. Fill the tank fully by turning on a hot water faucet to remove any air. This prevents any damage to your water heater. Last, restore the power or gas to the water heater. Now you know how to use the turbo tank cleaner and extend the life of your water heater. Once you're all done, please let us know how it went by leaving a review. Thank you for watching.